Look at this Noctua fan, it's so brown. Don't you wish your fan was hot like this? Don't you wish your fan was freak like this? Don't you? We're gonna make it happen. Hi, thank you for joining us today. My first question is, do you use Noctua fans?
Yes, I do. They're probably my favorite fan company.
Wow, which kind if you don't mind me asking?
I have their case fans and their air cooler.
Wow, isn't that interesting? And would you say you feel like you hate the brown color scheme?
No, not really. And I use their Chromax fans as well.
So you're saying the only way forward is to 3D print their fans in whatever color you choose?
What the fuck? No, I'm saying you can just...
Oh, wow, we're having some technical issues. Looks like we'll have to finish this interview right now. Goodbye, thank you. Okay, here's the plan. We take an existing fan, we cut off the blades, we 3D print a better fan, we take the new fan and stick it on the old fan, and we hope the new fan works and it performs better than the old fan. And we hope it doesn't blow up. So I have these perfectly good 140mm Corsair fans. We're gonna try to sacrifice them, butcher one of them, and compare it to the non-butchered version. I've already printed the Noctua fan, and all I need from this fan is just its motor, so let's cut it out and see how it all goes. We're going to need surgical precision for this operation. And I've got these wire cutters, and they're simply not cutting it.
Can't believe I said that.
I grabbed this rotary attachment for my drill, and it works quite a bit better than wire cutters, but it leaves a lot of mist behind, so I need something to actually cut on to not ruin my desk. This is a perfect alternative. I am just kidding, this thing is worth more than my life, so let's replace it and keep going on the table. That's the solution. Also turns out rotary tool also sucks, so we're gonna use the saw, and wow, that's a lot better but really awkward to hold. Let's just finish this. Okay. Wow, would you look at that? The fan is out and it still works. So back to my old friend's wire cutters for these fan blades. Holy shit! Perhaps that was a mistake. Let's use the saw again. It was getting real dangerous, and safety is #1 priority. Why didn't I speed up this section even more? Well, the fan just fits on the top, and it spins, so yay! So finally, with the 3D printed base of the fan, the actual fan, and the cutout motor, it all fits. All I needed is just a bit more sanding and edging. I mean, sanding of the edges, and we're good to go. Welcome back to 5-Minute Crafts with Artem, where we teach you how to attach wire to plastic with copious amounts of hot glue. Hey, that's pretty cool, it works. Okay, please don't judge me on the state of the system. It's temporary, it's just for this. I'm waiting on my SFF build. Smash that like button if you want to see it. Okay, I'm just lying. I'm not gonna film myself building an SFF case. Okay, so I'm replacing an air cooler with an AIO. Okay, this is the setup. It's rainbow vomit still, because I've just plugged it in. It's rat's nest of cable management, but it works. The benchmarks. The conclusion of my testing is that 3D printed fans are better than no fans. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Okay, fine, let's look at the rest. The 3D printed fan looks great so far. Suka, блять! Hours of printing, planning, and benchmarking, and they're off by a few degrees. Okay, let's see if an air cooler performs differently. This is the one we're going to try to use, and the only reason I got it is because it was 20 quid. might just be the worst mounting hardware I've ever seen. But for some reason, I don't have 4 of them. I guess that's gonna work. This is a bit ridiculous. That's pretty secure at least. I'll be damned, at least it fits, and it barely fits into my case. Absolutely outstanding. The police are coming for me because of the sterile-based application. Damn. Ow. Oh. Okie dokie. Ow. Well, it's on. Oh my god, look at the wobble. Jesus. See how it cools though. I am not going to film the rest. And the results you've been waiting for, the air cooler benchmarks. Actually, I'm quite impressed with this air cooler. It's like, I mean, the real price is 50 quid. I got it used. It's quiet and it cools well. So let's take a look at the 3D printed results. And fuck my life, they're even worse with an air cooler. Quite embarrassing. The 3D printed fan on a Lee base did like a degree better than Corsair. Go Lee, I guess. So yeah, there's that. So some people would say that this project was a failure. Yep, I agree. Bye.